Jones wanted up by you, get down.
Put it on your next time, Blockbuster. Hey, look here, you nasty boy. And to each and every one in the sound of my voice that called my name, don't take my word for what's going on. Wait a half an hour, go to JD's Watergate, and you can figure it out for yourself. That way I won't be held accountable. Good afternoon around the band. Judge,
take care, Jones. Give me a judge camera video. Hey, Jones, bump it down on you later. That Kimmy, judge got my duck-plugging radio. Put it on you later, basketball. Jones, warrant back on the mail.
You all by yourself, that key. You're here on the Watergate. You'll see the company you kept to. You might even catch a few left-duckers. Folks do that, man. You ain't talking about folks do, man. They get down on their knees, try to get him to clean the keys, so you might catch a bit of that, too. Put it on your leader. Blockbuster. Man, could be a judge on the corner. Good day.
Hey, Jones, take care, man. Hey, basketball, Jones, take care, man. I'ma pull up out of here. Hey, basketball, Jones, wanted up by you, Steven.
Excuse me, sir. I did say sir, because I came with respect, and I hope we can keep it that way. Why in the hell would I need to modify Watergate to whose advantage and for what reason? Could you please explain that to me? That's goddamn cut, but you still ain't washed them nasty ass feet. Go wash your feet. They don't come in the deep do nothing as a try, man. I want to keep it 100 with you, man. I don't need anything you do something that even try, man. But that's nice of you to stand down, man. Hey, Black Buster. Sometimes called the GOAT, Northeast Corner, brother.
There you go, tell him he ain't got to stand down, man. There you go, in the Northeast Corner, tell that cat nigga once said he ain't got to stand down. He can do what he got to do, man. Put it on you after a while. Hey, Boogeyman, Northeast Corner, wanted up by you still.
Yeah, man, I heard somebody call, man. You see, I come out here and call myself a rookie man, because I don't want them boys, man, crying up here, man, talking about you go down to Channel 6, man, you won't be all clear, man. Hey, they kick me, every time I come out here, man, they kick me out of Channel 11, man. I want to come in here and have some fun once in a while, man. Since the mud duck in the Northeast Corner Channel 6 are running away. Sometimes you gotta come up here and chase some video too, man. But let me get out of here, Black Buster. You made my day too, man. Check. The Boogeyman got down.
Hey, Boogeyman, you smoking, kid, man. Hey, Boogeyman in the Northeast Corner, wanted up by you, say you smoking, man. I'm trying to get back in your dumb looking Northeast Corner radio.
Hey, you got the ball down. All right, Buster, I'm gonna get out the way, man. I'm going back to 6, man. I'm gonna go back to 6 when it happens. Sometimes call the GOAT. Bye-bye.
Hey, Spider-Man, you got a little feedback in that audio.
What's up, my friend? Feel good, man. Hey, feel good. You shouldn't call my name up here, man. You kind of niggas are running from 6 up here, man. You shouldn't call my name, but, man, you know, you allowed to call my name. Hey, feel good. What's poppin'? Feel good. Your boy got that.
Spider-Man, if I see a fella going down a one-way street and there's a dead end, I'm gonna try to detour him, turn him around. Spider-Man, judge on the corner go.
Yeah, 410, feel good. Another big brother teed up. He said he's in the waiting room, man. He's not room. He was on the same lane. He said he's 21. I couldn't get it. Well, yeah, feel good, man. You sounded good at Suburban. Hey, feel good. Glad to hear you. I'm standing out.
Tell her you're getting that antique truck out the road because you have no brakes. I heard
20, 25, 6, man, big brother. 20, 26, man. Let me get out the way, man. I just came out here to say hello to the guys up there, man. I hope I see my friend in the Suburban out there. Feel good out here, and somebody, 107, but I ain't here with you yet. So let me get out the way. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.
Coast Drive, I'm gonna try to get it on the condition. Coast Drive, Coast Drive, it's 31 New Jersey. Holy girl, bang. Yeah, I was calling you earlier.
Yeah, he got conditions. He do got conditions, not what I key down, you know. He got a little conditions, but when I key his foot pedal down, man, all she wrote. The Boogeyman said, bye-bye.
Hell is your shout. Hello, old man Grumpy in the Magnolia on your ground plane. Judge heard your radio. Brega. Check, Stagecoach. You have a good one. Get there safe, get home safe in your travels. Stop jumping, told you so.
What's up, 424? What's going